So it looks like we have another example where they want us to solve by completing the square. So I have the x squared. I have a minus 16x, that's fine. Leave a little space, equals negative 16. So we're going to try to figure out then what we need to put in so that it'll be a perfect square trinomial. That's how we complete the square. Okay, so take your negative 16, this one right there, divide it by 2 and square it. So you get negative 8 squared, which is 64. So you're going to add 64 to the left-hand side and add 64 to the right-hand side. Okay, so then now we're going to factor the perfect square trinomial into x minus 8 squared equals, and then we have to think what's negative 16 plus 64. I'm thinking it's 48. Okay, and then we're going to apply the square root property. Take the square root of both sides. Don't forget the plus or minus. Okay, so on the left we get x minus 8. And then on the right, well, we want to simplify the square root of 48. So that's 16 times 3. The square root of 16 is 4. So it's going to be plus or minus 4 times the square root of 3. So we use all these things that we've been learning. Now we have to do one more thing. The 8 needs to come over. So we're going to have x equals 8, positive 8 now, plus or minus 4 times the square root of 3. We don't have an imaginary part. This is a real number, but that's as simplified as it gets. Now we can write them as two solutions, 8 minus 4 square root 3 and 8 plus 4 square root 3. And then those are the answers. So hopefully it's getting a little easier.